Alice, are you in a high chair? Alice, are you in a high chair? Let me see. Oh, is that a baby high chair? Why are you in a high chair? How old are you? You only one. David, how old are you, Daddy? You're 102. Then you need a cane. And Alice needs a baby chair.
Daddy, take a picture.
Okay, I'll take a picture, okay?
Bye.
Okay.
Do, 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 do.